Hello students, welcome to Science Surfers. Today we are going to derive an expression for acceleration due to gravity. Now what is gravity? Gravity means force of gravitation of the earth. We have already studied that every object in the universe attracts every other object with the force that is known as force of gravitation. So earth also attracts every object towards it by a force of gravitation, and we call the force of gravitation of the earth as gravity. So whenever an object is falling under this gravity or the gravitation force of the earth, we call that object is in free fall. That means कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जब अर्थ की तरफ उसके ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स की वजह से गिर रही है तो उस ऑब्जेक्ट को हम कहते हैं फ्रीली फॉलिंग ऑब्जेक्ट, और वी कॉल दैट ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन फ्री फॉल. अब बच्चे, जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट फ्री फॉल में है तो उस समय उसकी वेलोसिटी कंटिन्यूअसली चेंज होती रहती है ड्यू टू दिस force of gravitation of the earth or due to this gravity. So we call that acceleration as acceleration due to gravity. So an acceleration produced in a freely falling object due to gravitation force of the earth or gravity is known as acceleration due to gravity. It is noted by small alphabet G and its SI unit is meter per second square, the same which is the SI unit of acceleration. So let us derive the mathematical expression for this. We have an object of mass m which is in free fall. That means it is falling towards the earth under its gravitation force. Okay, so according to second law of motion, magnitude of the force acting on this object can be calculated by the product of mass and acceleration. But here the acceleration is caused due to gravitation force of the earth, so A can be written as small g. So we can write it as mg, that is equation 1. According to universal law of gravitation, we know that F is equal to capital G mm by d square, where G is the gravitation constant, m is the mass of the earth, small m is the mass of the object, and d is the distance between the earth and the object. This is equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can put the value of F is equal to mg into equation 2. So we can write this equation as mg is equal to g mm by d square. So we can cancel out the small m. So we are left with g is equal to g m by d square. So for an object which is on or near the surface of the earth, d can be taken as equal to r, that is radius of the earth. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नियर द अर्थ या अर्थ के सरफेस पे है तो हम उसके डिस्टेंस को, उसके सेंटर से डिस्टेंस को हम लोग r से रिप्लेस करेंगे, दैट इज रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ. बाय पुटिंग d इज इक्वल टू r, वी गेट स्मॉल g इज इक्वल टू g m बाय r स्क्वायर. क्लियर? This is the expression for acceleration due to gravity. We all know that Earth is not a perfect sphere. हमारी Earth एक perfect sphere नहीं है. Therefore, the radius at the poles, the polar radius, these are poles, and here it is equator. So, the radius at the pole is shorter than radius at the equator. That is, RP is smaller than RE. So from this equation we get From equation 3, we get that g is equal to 1 by r square. It is inversely proportional to the radius. That means if the radius will be more, value of g will be small. If the radius will be less, the value of g will be more. So, in other words, we can say that the value of g will be more at the poles due to smaller radius than the value of g at the equator. So, the value of g becomes greater at the poles than at the equator. For most calculations, we take the value of g to be more or less constant on or near the surface. So, g is equal to gm. So, to get the value of acceleration due to gravity, we can put these values here. G is the gravitation constant, that is 6.7 into 10 to the power minus Newton meter square per kg square, and the value of mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 20 for kg. The value of r, or the radius of earth, is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meters. So, by putting all these three values in this equation, we will get the value of small g, that is equal to 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 6 into 10 to the power 24 by 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter square. So, by doing all the calculations, we get that the value of g comes out to be 9.8 meter per second square, or in some calculations approximately we take it is equal to 10 meter per second square. So, the value of acceleration due to gravity on the earth is 9.8 meter per second square. That means whenever an object is in free fall, its velocity will continue to change at the rate of 9.8 meter per second square.